In this video, we will create a sword and create an idle tool animation for it. If you don't yet know how to animate or create a tool in Roblox, take a look at the info card in the top right, where you will find an extensive tutorial on how to do it. First, let's create our sword in Roblox Studio. I use the usual parts like cylinders and circles, etc. I know I'm not a professional tool maker, but I do my best. I hope you like the end result. Please create a local script within your tool. This script now becomes the idle tool animation script. I'm going to explain every single line of code to you. 1. Local humanoid, char, player, root part, mouse, cam, nil, workspace, current camera. This line declares 6 local variables: humanoid, char, player, root part, mouse, and cam. All of them are initialized to nil, except for cam, which is set to the current camera in the workspace. 2. Local UIs, game, get service, user input service. This line declares a local variable UIs and sets it to the user input service object, which is a built-in Roblox service that allows scripts to detect user input, e.g., keyboard and mouse events. 3. Local anims. This line declares a local variable anims and initializes it as an empty table, a collection of key value pairs. 4. Local current anim, for nil. This line declares a local variable current anim and initializes it to nil. 5. Script, parent, equipped, connect, function. This line connects a function to the equipped event of the script's parent object. The equipped event is fired when the player equips the tool, e.g., a sword or a gun. 6. Humanoid, script, parent, humanoid. When the equipped event is fired, this line sets the humanoid variable to the humanoid object of the character that equipped the tool. 7. Player, chart game. Players. Get player from character, script, parent. This line sets the player variable to the player object associated with the character that equipped the tool. 8. Char, script, parent. This line sets the char variable to the character object that equipped the tool. 9. Root part, humanoid, root part. This line sets the root part variable to the root part of the character's humanoid, e.g., the torso. 10. Mouse, player, get mouse. This line sets the mouse variable to the player's mouse object. 11. Anims.idle. Humanoid, load animation, script, idle anim. This line loads an animation from the idle anim object, which is assumed to be a child of the script, and stores it in the anims table with the key idle. 12. Current anim, anims idle. This line sets the current anim variable to the idle animation. 13. Current anim, play. This line plays the current anim animation. 14. Script, parent, unequipped, connect, function. This line connects a function to the unequipped event of the script's parent object. The unequipped event is fired when the player unequips the tool. 15. If current anim then. This line checks if the current anim variable is not nil. 16. Current anim, stop. If current anim is not nil, this line stops the current animation. 17. Current anim ans nil. This line sets the current anim variable to nil, effectively resetting it. 18. End. This line ends the unequipped event function. Now add an animation to your local script and name it exactly as it is named in the local script. If you don't pay attention to it, the animation won't work. So this animation is part of the parent, i.e., the local script. I'm now creating an idle sword animation using the animation editor in Roblox. Copies the AnimationID to the previously created animation in the AnimationID field. As you can see, the idle tool animation works fine. I also created my own sword fighting animation. Whenever I haven't selected the tool anymore, the animation is removed again. This means that the animation only plays if the player also selects the tool. Nice that you were there again. Until next time.